Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to use bar replay in Tradingview. First of all, open the Tradingview app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I've already signed up. Next, go to the chart icon and tap on the two horizontal lines on your screen. Then, click on the bar replay option. To use the bar replay tool, select it from the menu and place it anywhere on the chart where you want the replay to begin. Once you've placed it, you'll see an option like 0.3x. This is where you can adjust the speed at which the price action is replayed. You can choose any speed you prefer, such as 0.5x, 1x, or faster. After selecting the speed, simply tap the play button to start the replay. Unfortunately, I'm using a free account, so some features may be limited. However, if you have a premium account, you'll be able to fully use the bar replay tool without any restrictions. So, that's how you can access and use the bar replay tool on the Tradingview mobile app. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.